What's up everyone, today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Dynamike from Brawl Stars. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. So first I'm gonna draw a circle for his headlamp. And then I'm gonna draw another circle outside of the first one. And then on the top portion here, I'm gonna draw a semicircle line on at the side. And at the lower portion, I'm gonna draw a curved line towards the headlamp on both sides. And at the both ends at the side, I'm gonna draw a curved line like that. Then I'm gonna draw across another curved line from the left point all the way to the right. And then below the head, in the center, off center here, I'm gonna draw a line down, and then I'm gonna make a line to the side and slightly upwards, and the same goes to the right side right here. And for his eyes, I'm gonna draw an oval shape below the brows. Right there. And I'm gonna thicken this corner of the eye and here as well. And in the center of the eye on the right side, I'm gonna draw another oval for his pupil. I'm gonna draw the same thing on the right side, the right eye as well. Now for his nose at the side, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line there. Then I'm gonna make a semicircle turn down into the center, and I'm gonna mirror the same shape on the right side as well. And then at the side of the nose, I'm gonna draw a line out to the right, and then I'm gonna make a diagonal turn up and then back down as a side, and then I'm gonna make a sharp turn back up. And at this corner, I'm gonna draw a curved line down, and then I'm gonna make a turn down and outwards, and then I'm gonna make a turn to the center of the face right there, and then I'm gonna turn it down with a diagonal line and back up to the center. And I'm gonna repeat the whole shape on the left side as well. And below the mouth, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line across from this point to the right and slightly up on the right corner right there. And at the sides, I'm gonna draw a curved line down and across at the bottom, a semicircular line. And between the mouth, I'm gonna draw his teeth with a line at both sides right there, and a semicircle line at the lower point right there. And at the right lower corner of the mouth, I'm gonna add a circular line right there for his tongue. And for his ear at the side, I'm gonna draw a semicircle line on both sides with a curved line inside like that. Now below his beard on the right side here, I'm gonna draw his sleeve. So I'm gonna draw a line outwards and then turn it down and then turn it back to the center, and then I'm gonna make a turn down at the side of the outfit and extend it slightly at the lower point right there. And I'm gonna copy the same shape on the left side here. And at the lower point there, I'm gonna draw across a curved line. And slightly above that, I'm gonna draw another curved line across. And in the middle, I'm gonna add 2 lines down for the buckle of the belt. And below the belt, at the side, I'm gonna draw a curved line down and out, and then turn it down. And then I'm gonna make a curved line across at the lower point of the pants, and then I'm gonna make a turn back up and then turn slightly to the left, and then I'm gonna draw a curved line to the center of the pant across and to the right side. I'm gonna copy the same shape as well on the right side here. Now for his shoes, I'm gonna draw a curved line to the diagonally to the front, and then at the back I'm gonna draw a curved line down, and I'm gonna join the two together across with a curved line. So we're gonna do the same thing on the right side here as well. Now for his hands, I'm gonna draw a curved line out on the top as well, and a curved line right here, and a rectangular shape for his ammunition with a curved line base right there. And for his finger, I'm gonna add a circular shape at this corner right here. And we're gonna continue the line to the top of the dynamite, and I'm gonna draw at the top an oval shape like that, and leaving a gap and the top portion. So we're gonna draw a line with a base, and on both sides I'm gonna draw a line up and turn it to the side at the top, and then I'm gonna make a zigzag line across at the top portion right there. Now from the thumb point here, I'm going to draw across to the lower point a curved line for the beginning of the glove, and I'm gonna turn it towards the dynamite with a line. So I'm gonna repeat the whole thing on the left side as well. And along the outer line of Dynamike right here, I'm gonna thicken that up to make that same effect as the game. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.